Forms are an essential part of any company's digital marketing. It allows you to provide value to new contacts, and in turn, those contacts provide you with their information, allowing you to market to them. A few key types of forms are contact forms to allow people to get in touch with you, registration forms for when you want people to sign up for your service or event, and most importantly, lead generation forms for when you want people to opt into your email list, download a free offer, gain early access to deals, or provide them a deal or discount. Here are a few good principles to build a great form. Clear. Clear forms don't make people think. If any part of your form is confusing, you're gonna lose conversions. Concise. On that note, short forms usually get more conversions than long ones. You can find out more details about them down the line, but if they don't complete your form now, you lose them. Clever, meaning smart. Things like having fields autocomplete if possible, requiring an @ symbol for email addresses, and hiding form fields until prerequisite fields are filled in. This helps with being concise, as the form will appear shorter, leading more people to fill it out. What does this look like in ActiveCampaign? With our user-friendly forms builder, you can create dynamic, branded forms with ease. Then, you can quickly embed that form into your existing website or add it to a landing page built directly in ActiveCampaign to introduce your business to potential leads by promoting your company, offering a promotion, or providing more in-depth information. Once a contact has submitted a form, keep track of them within ActiveCampaign. Contact profiles will show you data captured from the form, tags assigned, or lists subscribed to, updating automatically as that contact interacts with your business. Then, use automation powered by this data to get them to convert. Now, go get those leads.